Yeah, we're gonna feature Brother Jeff on this one.
Yeah.
Because I know Brother Jeff got the mana.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the poo up, mana poo up.
That's alright, I'm the feeling, so I'm the middle part. But anyway, this song was done all the way from the island of Kauai when I lived there in 1994.
Yeah.
Right after my mama Maki. You know, earlier I was talking about father Maki and my mother Maki, so I was kind of like traveling, I say, hey, I gotta go do this. Okay. So anyway, Kauai, we found this song called Kaualoko, and I don't know what the other song, but it's gonna come along. But it's from Kauai, so at least we're gonna be on the same island, Nobody's gonna get lost.
That's how we tell our story, okay? We're gonna let that Larissa go.
So go a little bit slow, a little bit slow, fast. So, yeah, slow, fast. So go slow and then go fast. So go something like this in the beginning.
How about a big hand? Yes.
I think the hard part is looking at his hands. And then you realize, oh, he's playing the ukulele, not a guitar.